Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Jency and I'm on a journey to become debt free. My goal is to be debt free, you guys, by August. I hope I can beat that. It'll be great, but let's see how much money we have to cash up. I don't have much, you guys, but for sure I have 150, as you can see here. So 150 plus 40, okay, plus 40. Hope you guys are doing okay. I have 10, 20, 30, 45. Ooh, ooh. Okay, I didn't think we had this much. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Oh my gosh. So 250. Out of those 250, I believe it's 35. Yeah, I believe 35 of those is for my saving challenge that I completed that was going towards my vacation. So hey, $35 of this is for sure going to my vacation envelope. So 250. So exciting. I hope camera is doing justice. Yeah, okay, let me take a cute little thumbnail picture, shall we? Why not? Oh my goodness, it's been a crazy week, you guys. I'm always stressing. Let's do insurance like this. Okay, hold on, let me just take a cute little picture, thumbnail picture. I literally didn't think I was gonna make a video today, but girl, yes I am. Okay, ready? All right, here we go. Oh, don't mind me. 3, 2, 1, cheese. All right guys, so this is my rent and bill binder. If you haven't followed me on Instagram, please go ahead and do so. I post more there, and I posted a little update regarding my binder, you guys. They will be shipping soon, but due to them delaying my shipping, they're going to be here probably the middle of June, which is so upsetting. But at the same time, it gives you guys more time for you to save for my binder. And I posted a picture of like the gray color. Oh my gosh, you guys. I'm obsessed with that gray color. Oh my goodness. Chef kiss, baby. All right guys, first thing first, we're gonna add a $5 to Alabama Power. I'll be honest with you, this month I know for a fact I doubt it I'm going to complete my rent slash bill binder, because we're gonna go on vacation the end of this month, and so you know it is what it is. $5 also added to Eric's bed. And you know, sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do to be mentally healthy, if that helps, if that makes sense. We're going through some things at work. When they tell you working with family is not good, girl, believe it. You must as well believe it. But y'all, it's just crazy, like how, all I will say is I feel like people take me and Alex, well, not me, right? I'm just there as a worker, but I feel like people take Alex and his other business partner as a joke or as not grateful. Y'all, me, Alex, and his business partner, we're there 24/7. I feel like we're the backbone to that restaurant, and they still don't take us, I don't know, they don't take us serious. They take us for granted, basically, I feel like, in my opinion. I don't know, but anyways, 5. We will see what goes down in a month or two. We will see. Hoping for the best, I'll be honest with you. That's hope. Oh man, you can only do as much as you can, right guys? All right, insurance. I'm actually gonna add a 50 on insurance, so now we have 55 on insurance. It's 144. Next, internet. We're gonna add a 5. You guys, I don't have much on my stuff here, so hey, you gotta do with what you gotta do with what you got. All right, and last but not least, rent is gonna get 100. So yeah, so I know for a fact this month I'm not gonna complete this, and that's okay. And Alex knows that. You know, you only can do so much. All right, so there's that. This is my rent slash bill binder. Next, we're going to go to our saving challenges, which goes towards many categories. And on this one, I'm gonna go ahead and do my $35 for vacation. Yes. Oh no. All right. All right, this is my vacation envelope. So we completed that challenge, and we're gonna add 35 because that's how much we needed. But I'm gonna add a $5 in there. So we're gonna add 20, 30, 40 bucks. So 40 bucks going towards vacation money, which is exciting. It's not a lot, but hey, I can buy a meal now for everybody. I can help Alex out for a meal. Trust me, guys, he knows that I won't be able to help out as much as I usually do, because we're taking this out of the nowhere. And with stuff going on at work, we'd rather take a vacation right away just in case stuff goes south. Oh my gosh. La la la. Okay, and then you guys, the 20 is gonna go here because I want to finish Pinocchio. I want to use this money towards my vacation, actually. So I'm gonna add this 20 in here. We're so close to finishing that. So 20 going in there, and this one will save me 120. I really hope I can finish this before we go on vacation. That's my goal. Oh no, that's my goal. This little thing here. All right, and then I don't know how much money I have left, but ooh, let me add some here, guys. I never ever know what I'm gonna be doing. I just go with the flow. So I'm so sorry that you see me here struggling, trying to think what to do. I'm gonna add a 6 here. This one will save me, I believe, $80 if I'm not mistaken. So 5 and a 6. Awesome sauce. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. So there is that. Okay. And I know I have a scratch off that I should finish today, if I'm not mistaken, which is the Easter one. Oh my gosh, I almost forgot this one. Yes, I believe I only need a $5 to complete that one. Let's double check. Yes, look at that. We are done with this one. OMG. Awesome sauce. So $35 completed from Beauty Mom Budgets. Yes, and I'm gonna use it towards my what is it called? My vacation. So 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Yay, we completed one, you guys. That's amazing. Makes me happy. Awesome. So yeah, I'm gonna cash stuff that money towards my next cash stuffing for vacation. We don't have much money, but that is okay. All right, let's see here. We got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We got $9 that we're working with, guys. So I'm gonna do half of a 10, and that's gonna be a 5. So half of a 10, so $5, that's half. We try to color it as a 5, okay? So we can get closer to this. It is taking me a little bit longer, but that is okay. All right, so there's that. All right, awesome. And should we scratch this? I don't have much. Let's not scratch that. Let's just not scratch. Okay, let me add some money here. Let me add $1 here towards my car maintenance. Add $1 there. Okay, awesome. Oh my gosh, you guys, it's so hot. Car maintenance, and then this is for, I believe it was my eye exam. Eye exam, $1. Eye exam / glasses, and $1 towards $1,000 emergency fund. Okay, and last but not least, this $1, I'm actually going to add it towards Alex. Alex is my husband, so we're gonna go ahead and add $1 in there. Okay, awesome sauce. Well, there you have it, guys. I was not thinking I was going to upload today, but oh my gosh, so happy I had the opportunity to upload. I had a little bit of time to spare on right now on my break. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. You guys are amazing. Your time is precious. You know that. I love you guys, ride or die, all day, every day. Thank you for the opportunity of letting me share my journey with you guys. And yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow for Mini Friday. Can't believe Friday's here already. Wow. Bye guys, see you tomorrow.